Hi everybody, this is Mike from Mike Tries Motorsports, back at you with another 1 Minute Mike. On today's episode, I want to talk about this neat little tool, the Wobble extension. Like its big brother, the swivel extension here, the Wobble extension allows you to apply torque to a fastener without having a direct line to it, while still allowing the socket to seat fully on the fastener. That way, you can break the fastener in half instead of merely rounding off the head and ruining it that way. I can hear you asking through your monitors, why is this a thing? Why did nobody tell me about it? Can I have yours? Great questions. This thing appears to be a thing because we all like shortcuts. Take a look at this photo. This is the exhaust manifold on the 1.8-liter engine on the Audi that you're going to see in the next episode. There are 3 bolts that hold the turbocharger to the manifold, and 2 of the 3 are accessible with ease. Whenever 2 out of 3 of anything are within easy reach, common law states that you should start looking for shortcuts to make that third thing easy as well, so that you don't have to disassemble even one more component to get to it. And this tool offers you that shortcut. It can do the same job as the larger swivel extension, but the swivel extension may not fit where you're working, or more likely, you simply won't be able to find it in your toolbox when you're working on that thing that you're trying to fix right now. Did you check in the kitchen junk drawer, by the way? Go look there now. We'll wait. And if you find it, you're welcome. I'm glad I could help. I got 2 of these Husky sets from Home Depot, 1 in 1/4-inch drive and 1 in 1/2-inch drive. Each set came in 3 lengths as well, tall, grande, and venti. It works because the manufacturer clearanced the base of it to allow for the socket to wobble. Like this. If you need it to sit on the extension inline, you can simply click it on fully and it will function like a standard extension, like this Craftsman that I have here. I hope you found this to be helpful. This has been Mike from Mike Tries Motorsports. Keep it shiny side up, and I'll see you in the next one.